Hello, hello sa mga kamarites ko dyan. Welcome back to our vlog. Latest chika natin kay Sharon Cuneta na nasa Amerika pa rin at sinare ang bago niyang short hair. Ayun, so para maiba naman daw, nagpagupit siya at wow, OMG. Ang ganda-ganda at lalo siyang bumata tingnan. So yeah, keep on watching till the end. Sinare niya yung kanyang mga latest ganap doon kasama ang kanyang asawa na si Senator Kiko Pangilinan at ang kanilang mga anak. Keep on watching.
Words I wanna hear, been on all your mind. And waste smile is something I can't ignore. Can't get enough, keeps me coming back for more. All you gotta do, you're the only one that can satisfy my heart. See your love like it's glowing in the dark. Ooh, got in my head going left to right. Before I knew I was hypnotized, you came into my life, turned it inside out. Can't like you